Miss Kittel is the head of college counseling at Polis. She recently had knee surgery and has been awaiting hip surgery for the past couple months. She now has to walk with a cane.
I could go for walks and dance again and do all that stuff. And as I rehab it, which went great.
She wanted a cane that didn't look geriatric, a cane she could be proud of.
She needed to make sure the cane didn't fall down. Her cane had the problem of constantly falling down whenever she leaned it up against something. She never really had anywhere to put the cane. We took a copious amount of notes, mapping her daily life. Our team needed to pinpoint the exact problems she faced. These were our 4 critical points that we had to address with our final solution.
A circle on the bottom of the cane that supports the cane. A hook that hooks onto the table and it would support the cane. A tripod on the bottom that would support the cane.
We brainstormed solutions and drew a plethora of prototypes.
These are several prototypes that laid the foundation for our final solution.
We used a program called Tinkercad to make a sliding hinge system.
Here you can see a ball and socket joint, which we needed meticulous measurements for.
With our first prototype, we noticed we were missing many intangibles, such as tension and a wedge to push the legs out.
These are some of our iterations for our prototype.
We then used a program called Fusion 360. We used it to model our design in finer detail.
And this was our final solution.
Our design is similar to an umbrella. You push down the sliding mechanism and the legs open. A rubber band holds them in place.